Most children are fatherless primarily because of one thing, and that.
Ooh, I don't have time for this. I'm aware it was clickbait. The whole page is clickbait. But I'm going to say something. The reason I'm saying something is because this is utter bullshit. When children are fatherless, it is because the father in the case chose not to be there for them. 100%. You can be part of your children's lives if you choose to be part of your children's lives, because visitation and child support are two entirely different things. I say, if you're not part of your child's life, you're not a man. You're a boy. You're a boy who played house. You got your woman pregnant. Then you didn't want the responsibility that came with the child that y'all produced. Then you acted a fool and she divorced you. Then you said, well, if you're going to divorce me, I'm done with both of you. Then you wander off somewhere else to live your life, forgetting all about that person that you just helped create. I do speak from experience and observation. I know people from both sides. Men will see their children. They will see their children. Guys may not. Yes, I know instances where women have taken children from the father and did not allow them continued access to those kids because they were just rancid bitches. I do know cases where that's happened, and the cost to fight her was prohibitive, but he still fought. And he just happened to have a friend, not naming any names, but he got to see his child, even though the child's mother said, no, you won't. Don't fall for this shit. This deadbeat dad thing is a real thing. And the girls, women, females out here who are not letting the father of your children see that child just simply because you're a bitter, thwarted bitch, you need to get over yourselves. Unless this man is a danger to your child. Unless he is a physical, emotional, or in some other way danger to your child. And yes, they exist. Let that man see his child. It's not about child support, babe. It's not about that. It's about the child having connection with their father. And you folks that go around saying that it's the woman's fault, the mom's fault, the court's fault. Why? Why did she divorce him? Why did he leave? There's a whole backstory to all of every last case. There's a backstory. Now, my friend that we had to go through a little effort to get him back in his daughter's life, he just happened to be with a woman that wasn't emotionally mature enough to be in that position. But the other cases, they bailed. If you're not going to pay child support, if you're not going to visit your child, if you're not going to be a consistent, active participant in this child's life, sign over your parental rights, don't come back. It's that simple. If you don't want to be part of the hard stuff, then don't pop in when it's easy and convenient for you, because it's very confusing for the child. But also don't sit here and tell me that the court system ruled in her favor and you don't get to see your kid, or you're trying, but she just won't let you. Listen, it's not every single case. I realize that, but I do know that a full-grown man who has done nothing wrong, will have access to his kids. Just keep fighting for it. Now, if you've done something wrong and you know it, sign over your parental rights and move on. And quit making an ass of yourself. And this is just my POV, because I really didn't have time to say that.